So today it will be the progress that you track of yourself, right? So mm, are you progressing? Not progressing. So that is the question. So many times it occurs to us, and we kind of start doubting ourselves whether we are progressing or not progressing. So I heard a quote today of a famous person, Sean something. I am very bad at remembering name, but if you Google, it will show up. It says the exponential curve that I am credited with looks like a horizontal line when I look back, and it looks a vertical line when I look in front. Do you understand that? When the exponential curve that normally a progressive person, very successful person, is credited with looks like a horizontal line from behind, like not from behind when someone looks back, and it looks a vertical line when one sees up in front. So that means everybody feels the same frustration when it comes to the progress, right? It doesn't feel like progress till we get there, and when we get there we actually see a uniform line of progress. It doesn't happen suddenly. It is never accidental. Everything that you have been doing, you need to be consistent with whatever you are doing. That is how it becomes a horizontal, right? And the results are, obviously you are maintaining that result. That is why you are maintaining that curve, that line. Otherwise that line would have been drooping down, right? So it is a very interesting insight to have that it is horizontal when one looks back, and vertical means the goal has to scare you, right? Otherwise it is not a worthy goal. So anything that scares you is scary right? It is by simple logic that anything scares you is scary, and a goal has to be scary enough so as to challenge you. What does that mean? Any goal that you keep in front, that has to be scary, otherwise you are not inspired enough, you are not motivated enough to go towards it. So it has to be scary. But right now, how do you think yourself to be? Can you do anything about the past that you have already done? Of course, the discipline that you have carried out throughout your journey, that road that you have already crossed, and that journey that you have made already, that is part of the past. One needs to have that discipline, but it is already gone. Whatever is gone, you don't have any control over it. Can you change it? No. So whatever output it has brought along with it, that has formed the part of the exponential curve that is going to be formed when you get there. But it has contributed towards the exponential curve, right? Your growth. But we don't see, we can't see, because we have been consistently working, and we are taking our own frustration, our own small failures along with us, small big failures. Those are all part of the learning which contributes to our strength and experience, right? Which will be the foundation for our success in the future. So now the future also is not in our control, right? The future also is not in our control. It is also something which we have drafted, and we are creating, right? So it is in the process of creation. It is it is not something which we can control. What shape it will take, that we don't know. We have a vision in mind and we are going along that, but we cannot control that. Neither we can control the change that it might bring, because everything in the vision we cannot outline as finely, as accurately as the universe or the destiny does. So that is something not everybody will agree with me, but it is there, right? It is true that everything that we think of, everything whichever is in our mind, under our planning, that doesn't happen in the exact same manner that we have outlined it, right? It takes its own shape. And why it takes its own shape? Because there are finer things which are even better for us. We don't have any clue to know it beforehand. So that is why we don't have any control over our past, we don't have any control over the future. What we have the control of, we only can control our present, and the present moment of perseverance. If you are doing it, then you are in the in the right track, and that is what one can do. And if this is so, what is the silver lining in all this thing? The silver lining is you the destiny draws an exponential line, exponential curve for whoever is honest with his or her action and direction. Take a sec to deliberate, reflect on this. It is saying that the only thing we have in control is the present moment, and the contribution that we are making to this present moment. And the destiny draws an exponential curve. If I am doing it right, then my growth will be exponential, whether I know or not, because I am honest in my action and direction. So that is the silver lining, and that is what consoling for me. Otherwise everything else, nothing of it is in my control except the present moment, right? So if you like this concept, this is a new concept my mentor has shared with us, and if you like this concept, it is a beautiful mindfulness and mindset concept. And if you like, then please like the video, and also subscribe to my channel. And there is a Sunday webinar